making pepper frittatas. So lots of different people cut peppers a lot of different ways. This is the way I like to cut a pepper, and I cut it down the middle, like so. And as you can see, I've missed all the seeds, and I just go down, around, there, and we can just throw this section away, and we've got no hassle, no fuss with any of the seeds. So I just like to get the pepper about halfway, and we're just going to cut straight down. You miss all the seeds, and just want to go round, missing all those seeds. And there we go, and that can just bin. Right, so one large onion. Right, so we're just going to finally cut our onion. I'm going to reduce it down to maybe a medium heat. We don't want it too high. We're just going to pop into that pan about 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, then some sea salt or Himalayan, whatever you've got to hand, cracked black pepper, in go those lovely peppers, 1 large onion, we're just going to let that sweat for about 10 to 15 minutes. Guys, so we're going to do 3 cloves of garlic for this. I'm just going to finely chop. Add in 3 cloves of finely chopped garlic. Okay guys, so we're just going to crack 6 eggs. Now I want to add in a bit of piri seasoning. I mean, you can chop some pepper, it depends. I mean, I don't like it too strong, so I'll put a couple of pinches in. You want some Italian seasoning, and so it's about 4 good pinches in there. And you can add as much as you know. You can add more chili if you want, or less, depending on your tolerance of chili. Really, I mean, I'm quite weak when it comes to chili. I don't like a lot of it, so it makes an appearance in the food, but it's not the main star. Right, we've got our 6 eggs, and we're just gonna get some air into them. this stage, I'm going to reduce the heat right down. So we're at a simmer. We're just going to add those eggs. Break some basil. And we're going to have some basil in there. Just rip it, just tear it apart. And we're just going to drop all that in. Tear it all apart. A good helping. Grated mozzarella in there. And again, I mean, if you're feeling you want to be a bit healthier, don't add as much cheese. At this stage, you just want to have a little poke around the sides to see what's happening. Just have a little sneaky peek inside. Take just a few slices of a really nice bakery loaf. Okay, we're just about ready to turn it. So what I like to do is I get a plate, pop that over the top, and then beautiful. And I'll just slide that back on. Just a little hand there, and you pretty much keep it intact. Italian pepper frittata. Now let's get into this little morsel here. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like what you saw, hit subscribe and leave any comments below.